Alright guys, it's your guy LP with S&W Service and Repair, headed out to Wichita Falls to finish up one last warranty call that we have out here, and Wichita will be complete after the day until they send some more calls and whatnot. But today, man, I just want to talk to you guys about the lack of male masculinity, man. I had a call last night, and the guy called me and asked me, you know, did I have anything available for in the morning, which I did. I had a between 7 and 8 a.m. time slot for them, and they had floors redone, and they took their gas line off of their stove, you know, and I went over there this morning, and the young lady, the wife, had already hooked up the gas line. But she was afraid that, you know, she might have done something wrong because she didn't know, you know. But she took 2 crescent wrenches and put the damn thing on really tight. Like, it was solid. Like, it was, you know, good to go. Now, I didn't check it with my leak detector before I came, because I took everything apart again. And some people like that yellow Teflon tape, which is for gas. But I have both, but I don't use the yellow Teflon tape most of the time. I use the yellow pipe doper. I like that because it never really gets hard, but it also creates a good seal. And I don't have to remember which way to put that dang on Teflon tape on. But anyway, she had it already done. Like I said, well, who put this on? It's on pretty tight. She's like, I did. I got 2. She said, I got 2 monkey wrenches and I tightened it up. And I was like, you did it. Little bitty old thing. And I see this more and more, man. When a guy might call, but he'll leave his wife there, and he might have to work or whatnot. But as far as working on stuff, the women are really taking control, and, you know, they're really working on their appliances or cleaning things or trying to fix stuff. Whereas the guys just like, they just chilling. I mean, they really just chilling, and they letting the woman just have to do, you know, I don't know. I was raised differently, so the man supposed to be out there at least trying. But these women just are out working these men in more than one arena, not just in the workplace a lot of time, but also in the house. And, you know, to me, when I look at it in 2 ways. I look at it, for one, it's sad, you know, and that's really freaking sad. And for 2, I look at it and I'm saying, man, there's gonna be a lot of money to be made in this appliance repair field, because the men in the household don't want to try to do nothing. And then the women don't want that strong male presence off in the household to make sure to give them the reassurance that it's done correctly. And it's just gonna bring a lot of money into the appliance repair field, man. So if you on the fence, jump off the fence and get your business going. And matter of fact, I'm about to open up another appliance repair company with my wife, and we're gonna make sure she gonna eat off of this one. You know, the first one was my baby. I didn't know what I was doing. I got mentorship. I went to class. You know, shout out to ABC, Mike Sneed, and shout out to my mentor, the GOAT, the biggest boss of them all in this appliance repair thing, in my opinion, Miss Ward. But man, get off the fence. Get yourself into a class. Then after that, take some online stuff so that you can keep yourself refreshed and freshen up on your skills, especially if you hadn't used something in a while. And then make sure you jump into this thing head first and get this paper, man. I'm driving an hour and 45 minutes away, but we're gonna get the paper. And we're gonna work about an hour and drive that hour and a half back. But you know, and this ain't even really getting to the paper, but you know, a little 600, that's a light piece. Yeah, so we got $1,000 day. And I should be done probably about 12. No, I'll be there at 12. So Should take me about an hour to do that. We'll be done at 1. I have to get back. We got haircuts today. But $1,000 in, you know, with an actual work today, I did about 30 minutes over there, about 20 minutes, so that's 50 minutes. So about 2 hours of actual real work, we're gonna be put $1,000 in the pocket. I think that's really good. Now I got ass time as far as driving, but you know, you gotta have a reliable vehicle if that's, you know, if that's your concern. But man, I'm like Paladin. If you ever watch Westerns, Paladin, Have Gun, Will Travel, I'm just like that. LP, the appliance repair guy. You got money, I'm coming to get it. We chasing the bag. So, hey man, we'll be right out there to your house if you need some help. And if your woman needs some help, we got her too, because you might don't know what you're doing. But yeah, man, get in this appliance repair field. There's plenty of money out here. Good time. You're gonna learn a lot. You're gonna see a lot. You're gonna meet a lot of people. Man, you're gonna be able to do great things with your family. All right. Hey, get in right now. Appliance repair. This your guy LP. Check with me, subscribe, like the video, and if you have any comments about how I do this, I am a full-time employee of a Fortune 500 company in management. I do that, and then as soon as I get off, I'm on my appliance repair journey. All my weekends, my time out for the holidays, I've been getting to the bag, you know, and I still have time with my family. You know, I just work it like a regular 9 to 5 on these holiday days, man. Get on back to the house. I'm gonna still be there to pick up my son. We're gonna go get haircuts today, and we're gonna watch the ball drop at home. Happy New Year, man. Go get this paper. Quit stalling. Quit playing. Quit procrastinating. Come on over here. Get in the comments if you need to talk to me, man. Let's go. Get this money. It's a lot of money out here, baby. I can't pull you out that bed, but this is it.